how to create a Netflix account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply install your Netflix on your phone. Then from here, you can see this is the first interface that you will be seeing, right? So from here, what are you going to do is simply tap on the this particular link that you'll be able to see right here. If you simply tap on that link here, simply tap on continue, and let's get along with the process of getting into the login or sign up page, right? So what you should do is simply tap on create a Netflix account. Then from here, now what are you going to do is simply write down your email address. So after writing down your email address, all you need to do is tap on next, and then from there, now what you're going to do is create a secure account password, and then again tap on next. After doing that, you can now choose the subscription plan that works the best for you. So for example, there would be a standards with ad or standard or premium, and then you can select any of them and then tap on next. After doing that, you can add in your payment method details like your credit card or your debit card or your gift card, and then from there you can click on start membership to begin your streaming. So that is exactly how you'll be able to create a Netflix account. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. That will be it for this video.